Hey guys, let's look at a program where we are able to accept a user input from the on the console from the keyboard, and we are able to switch the cases. Like if the user enters in lowercase, we are able to convert it into uppercase, and if the user enters in uppercase, we are able to shift into lowercase. So here we'll deal with something known as the ASCII value of a character. Now every character has got a numerical value associated with it. It's called an ASCII value. So capital A starts at the ASCII value of 65. So there are 26 letters in the alphabet. So capital A plus 25, the remaining, gives you 90. So the ASCII value of the capital uppercase letters or the capital letters runs from 65 to 90. The smaller case A starts from 97. So adding 25 to this, you will end up with 122 as the smaller as the ASCII value of smaller z. So the smaller case or the smaller letters or the lower case runs from 97 to 122. So now what do we have is, we have to find the difference between this. So 97 minus 65 will give you 2 and 3, 32. Same thing goes for 122 minus 90, which is 2 and 32. So every alphabet is got difference of 32 whether in shifting to the uppercase or to the lowercase. So go ahead and declare your variable character alpha. Take the input from the user, %C ampersand alpha. So you can go ahead and write a statement here stating that please enter the lowercase, or I'll do one thing, I'll only write it down for you right now. We can go ahead and write it as printf. We'll start with uppercase. So /n, enter uppercase alphabet, enter uppercase alphabet, and scanf %C ampersand alpha. So we are assuming that the user has entered an uppercase letter. So we have to shift it to the lowercase letter. So you can write alpha. The new value of alpha is equal to the existing alpha plus 32, meaning we are shifting from the uppercase to the smaller case. Now you will think 32 is a number, alphabet is going to be a character. How are we supposed to add both? Now when you add of two character with a number, what happens is you end up adding the ASCII value to the existing ASCII value of that character. If you go ahead and printf it as lowercase alphabet but make sure you print here as %C and not %D. Go ahead, put a comma and write alpha. It prints the lowercase directly. You can also repeat the same set of statements where you ask the user to enter the lowercase alphabet, enter lowercase alphabet, and the user takes a lowercase alphabet, %C ampersand alpha. And since we are going to convert it to the uppercase, the new value of alpha is the existing value of alpha minus 32, because we are shifting it to the uppercase. The uppercase ASCII values are lesser than the lowercase ASCII values. So go ahead and do printf /n uppercase alphabet. Don't forget to print it as %C and not %D, and print alpha. Now this is just the basic way of writing. If you had when you move on to conditions, you can do a check to see if the ASCII values lies in between the uppercase values or in range, or the in between the lowercase range, and do the needful. The basic is just to learn what is the use of this operation and this operation. How to work with ASCII values. So in that case, don't need to worry about conditions right now. When you move into conditions, we can do a program which performs the same operation using conditions. So this is just the basic algorithm. Now let's see on the output console how this is going to look like that. So we'll start by entering char alpha and write the printf statement. Enter alphabet. You can ask the user to enter the alphabet in uppercase, and you can go ahead and write scanf %c ampersand alpha. So right now it is in uppercase, so you have to print in lowercase. So printf /n lowercase alphabet and %c. You can print directly over here as alpha plus 32. It should print, yes, it should print alpha plus 32. And we'll write the entire thing in the opposite way from lowercase to uppercase. So enter alphabet in lowercase, enter alpha and uppercase alphabet, and directly you can write the operation over here as alpha minus 32. Let's go ahead and run the program. Enter alphabet in uppercase. Let's say I'm entering R in the uppercase. The lowercase alphabet is R. So I'm having trouble here because the character again becomes a problem. So as usual, I'm going to enter a space before %c in line number 12 so that the enter button that I pressed after entering R does not hinder the next input. So I'll run once again. I'll enter W in this case. The lowercase is W. It is asking for something in the lowercase. Let's print lowercase m, and it prints in M. So I'll remove the /n over here. I'll enter an extra /n over here. And I'll remove the /n over here. And okay, I'll run it once again. Enter alphabet in uppercase. I'll enter W. It prints smaller case W. Then enter alphabet in lowercase m, and it will print uppercase alphabet M. Thank you.